YouTube, friends and family. Welcome to Be Clean Professionals. Yes, sir, we are here at Be Clean Professionals. As you can see, we're doing a deep cleaning of a floor. We're doing floor maintenance here in one of our janitorials that we do. I'm sorry, not janitorial, but the monthly floor care on VCT tile, okay? As you can see, I am currently spraying down a solution. Normally, we do have automatic or electric sprayers, but we have 4 of them and they're all broken. Certain things went wrong with them all at the same time. So they're being currently serviced and the parts are on back order. Why are they on back order? Well, here in the US, no one is really working or hard to try to find employees. So we're trying down a solution. We're going to use this beautiful duplex here machine to scrub, which is actually a CRB meaning counter and rotating brush here. And then we're using a shop vac, commercial shop vac to go ahead and suck it up. And then we'll be doing a buffing of the floor, which would add some more wax to it and then shine it here. When you do buff the floor, what is this doing here? We actually stripped and waxed this floor about, I want to say it's about 4 or 5 months ago. So we're just maintaining it. You can see the floor is going back and forth, a lot of foot traffic. They do mop this, but of course, mopping really doesn't get anything done. When you're mopping, you're just completely just moving dirt from one side to another. The reason why we're extracting it here, putting on a solution, extracting is actually lifting all that dirt up out of the wax and taking it and removing it from the floor. So you see the haze here, scuff marks and stuff like that, that will all go away when we're finished. And then of course, what causes this is the dirt sitting on the top surface, getting into the wax, people walking over it, it acts like sandpaper, start sanding the wax down. So that's what we're gonna be. We're gonna be applying another little top thing coated wax, heating it up and making it look a lot better. These areas in here, this is where a mat was at, and just with the build up right here, it just left a scar. So we're probably gonna put a tough solution down on here. I probably recommend to strip this whole hallway again, just so it appears nice, but they put mats down, so this is obviously gonna be hidden, so it's not gonna look too bad. We'll probably get another strip in here after the winter time, so that way the salt doesn't, destroy the wax. We'll do it in early spring, just so it stays looking good. So we have this area here we're doing. Hello, is anyone in here? Woman's area, okay, see how it's dark there? We're gonna get all that up. We have the dispatch room too as well, which, well, that's where it is out here. So that's the dispatch room. Then we have another room over here, that section. So as you can see, he's getting the scuff marks up now. Our solution can get it up, but it's a lot better if you do it this way. You gotta do some manual labor to get those up. But it's gonna look great and good when we're all finished. Those scuff marks are really embedded into the wax, and we're not really stripping it, so it's not gonna come out. So as you're seeing, I'm laying down a solution. We're gonna allow this to sit here for about 5 minutes, start filming for you guys. It gets very slippery in this process. We can do this with anybody's floor here to make sure it maintains its appearance and stays looking good for years to come. Wax that we use does not turn yellow or dissipate or anything of that sort. This is not yellow, this is just all dirt on the top surface. And we're gonna go ahead and get this up here with a solution. So I got my solution mixed up here. Like I said, we're using a pump sprayer. Actually just picked this pump sprayer up about 2 days ago. And one of the techs here lost the handle. So no big deal. I mean, these are made for gardening tools, not for commercial use, but it's gonna get us by and get it done here. So we're gonna do what we have to do, try to remain more efficient and profitable. That way we don't, spend too much here. You spend too much, you're dipping into profit here, and that's not good for business. So long story short here, we're going ahead and getting this floor, doing a top surface scrub here and reapplying, and then we're going to go ahead and buff, and you'll see that's the part next. So just for the video's sake here, save some time and also save me some time. Kind of hard to film and do this at the same time, so I'm going to cut this short. But as you can see, that's what I'm doing, laying down a solution, just getting it nice and sprayed here, pumping it up. And we are going to allow this to sit, and then we're going to scrub it with a CRB, and I'll show you that process next. Stay tuned. All right, so we're back here. We got the duplex going. Go ahead and get this thing rolling here. As you can see, doing a great job. Let's do a path here just to show you the dirt, going tile here, coming back with another tile. I mean, look at the difference already in the floor. Looking great, looking good. We're kicking her up. And she's doing a great job, all right? So what I was doing pretty much is just testing to see if we need to make our solution a little stronger. Now, if here. I was just testing to see if we need to make the solution a little stronger, but we don't. It looks good. There's normally a case over here, but we don't need that. I like it the way it looks. She looks good. And so look, we're getting it here, and it's doing a great job scrubbing the floor here. All right, here it's sticky. It's top surface here. Well, over here it's slippery. I mean, not sticky. Just getting the top surface of this wax off. All right, getting really down deep. All right, we mix our solution up, and we're just doing the top scrub. We're not going to recoat, but we're putting a thin layer of wax on top and a rebuild. It's going to look beautiful. So simply all we're doing is scraping, doing the floor. You couldn't hear me, so now I'm going to go ahead and get this machine going. That way you can definitely hear what's going on. No, not right now. It's actually really wet and slippery. All right, so we got our signs and stuff up. Right. Good thing about this machine, as you can see, on the right side, you can't really get to the corner, but flip it around. Same way we're going to get our edges here. All right, beautiful. Look at those edges. All right, look how close it gets. All right. This is kind of what separates us from other cleaners. We do use the right equipment, right stuff every time. It's not the prettiest, but never judge a book by its cover, all right? It's going to love your floors, okay? We actually put our machines to work, clean them up after the job, and they have a lot of hours. Another thing that makes us different, we own all of our equipment, okay? So we're cutting out that cost. We don't have to rent anything. Everything is all ours. So we're going to give you a good, fair, and accurate price and get right to it, okay? Definitely don't want to go over your cord. Don't ever do that. All right, check that out. Got a nice scrub here. Oh, man, look at that. See this area right here? Look at that. Come on. Beautiful. That's what I love what I do. All right, check that out. All right. Look at that. All right, so floor is already scrubbed. I'm going to need the other team in here, and they're going to go ahead and do the shop vacuum, and we're going to work our way to the other section. Stay tuned. As you can see here, we have the hallway. This is the one I was really worried about. We got these tight grooves in here. They came up pretty well, so I want to get this on video, see how it turns out. It's going to get noisy, so turn the volume down. All right, looks like somebody unplugged me, but I am not upset the way that turned out at all. I thought I would have to use stripper to get that up, and no stripper used at all. That's just really good. It's just a floor cleaner that we use. Like I said, it all comes down to solution and chemicals. This particular thing is chemicals and solution, and it's turned out great. And we're going to close up here because unfortunately we had to go. There was just some scheduling issues here. So we're gonna have to head out a little early. So I'll show you guys the buffing part here. We're gonna come back next week. It's Friday night, and then we'll get to it and finish it up. We'll show you how we buff these floors, of course, here as well. Before I get going, I do want to show you the other room. Yep, go ahead, you can start in here. Yep, start vacuuming. As you can see, here's the floors here. You've seen them earlier. I mean, it's totally transparent. They're a little dull, but if we buffed it with our buffer and then put the, the spray wax down, I mean, it would just look flawless like glass. But I mean, we're doing what we can. We'll be back Monday, like I said, with some scheduling things. So unfortunately, it's Friday. They have to get out of here at midnight. So we want to get to it. Well, stick with us here. We'll hop back in this video here. If you like what you see, please give us a like, share, and comment at this port. And we're going to cut it short here. And we're going to go back home and start all over again tomorrow. Have a good one. All right, we're back here. Came back from the other day. As of course we did, actually, we started doing the cafeteria area, which we showed you last time in the video. As you can see, we applied that wax down. It's protecting it. So we scrubbed it, and we had to come back in here and then, re-scrub it here. Now he's running down the spray wax here. You good? Is it plugged in? Yeah. All right, so we're back here. We just had a little safety issue. As you can see, he's buffing the floor here, getting it nice and buffed here, and it's coming up well. As you see, the floor looks shinier here. We applied that layer of wax on there. It's hardening it up, and we're just, just going ahead and scrubbing through. I'm going to get started here scrubbing on these other areas. Hey, my bad. Thought you were. Hey, there we go. Look at the floor here. The difference. Let's drop the floor. Look at the difference. It's a boom. This is how it's been treated. That's how it has it. I always like to show here in our video that our logo does have a meaning. If you've seen the video in the beginning, the dove brings it back. Olive branch represents peace and also a new beginning. The carpet wand is actually what I started with 5 years ago. So you got your carpet wand and your peace symbol. So every time we're cleaning someone's home, we're coming in your home with peace, all right? We're giving you a peace of mind. You don't know us, we don't know you, but we're coming in there representing peace and give you some fresh new beginnings. Once we go ahead and clean, some people don't clean because maybe they have mental health issues or they're not getting stuff done. We want to make sure we give you that fresh start. But one thing I do want to let you know here is that while we're also cleaning, I didn't show this part, okay? We come into your home. We let you know when we're on our way, okay? This notification has been sent. We let you know when it's finished or when we started and when it's all done. We can send you that email or this invoice.